Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to translate here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. While Canva does not have a built-in automatic translation feature like Google Translate, you can still translate text manually or with the help of external tools like DeepL. Okay, so just go to DeepL website and you can type a translate. For example, I'm going to put in this one. You can choose from any of the languages available here, from Arabic, Bulgarian, Chinese, Danish, Dutch, Latvian, Lithuanian, Norwegian, so a lot. For example, I'm going to be choosing the Polish, right? Just copy this one and it also gives you the alternatives from these options, three of them. I want you to click on copy to clipboard and switch back to your Canva. Now here, I want you to open the design that you are working. If you haven't already, just click on the templates and you can start building your own design from business template, social media template, education, video, marketing, print products, and more. Or you can simply create a new design by clicking the button right here to start from scratch. Now after that, for example, I'm going to use a specific font here. You can put in the add the text box. So you can copy the font that you have copied in the DeepL. You can also choose another one, for example, this. I'm gonna make the font size a little bit smaller so you guys can see it. After that, I'm gonna place like a background, for example, that to make the design very interesting. All right. Now, if you're starting from a template, obviously, and need it in another language, you can just simply follow these steps above. Now, I'm going to add another video at the bottom wherein we can make it a little bit interactive by putting it here, maybe around here. Now, try to play to see if the design blends perfectly well, right? Obviously, by following all of these steps, you can easily create multilingual designs in Canva, manually incorporating translations into your project. Once you are happy with this design, you can simply click on the share button here to download as an MP4 video, a GIF. You can also download as JPEG, PDF, or PNG. If you want to share this with your boss, your client, or with your collaborator, just copy the link and send it. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.